Hey kids, today I will teach you about scientific cellular energy. Can anyone give me a description of glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and electron transport chain?
Me! I can! Glycolysis is the biochemical pathway where one 6-carbon molecule of glucose is oxidized to produce two 3-carbon molecules of pyruvic acid. Glycolysis is a series of chemical reactions catalyzed by specific enzymes. The Krebs cycle is a biochemical pathway that breaks down CO2, producing CO2 hydrogen atoms and ATP. The Krebs cycle has 5 main steps that occur in the mitochondrial matrix. The electron transport chain is linked with chromosomes, constitutes the second stage of aerobic respiration. Electron transport chain is a series of molecules in a membrane that transfers electrons from one molecule to another.
Wow, that was a really good description. Now can someone give me an explanation of aerobic and anaerobic respiration?
I can.
Very
Aerobic is when oxygen is in the cell and the pyruvic acid is broken down. Then NADH is used to make ATP, which is called aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration needs oxygen to work, and it includes the Krebs cycle and the electron transport chain. Anaerobic respiration is the process of not needing oxygen to work. Pyruvic acid can enter the pathways even if there is no oxygen in the cell. When glycolysis and anaerobic pathways combine, it is called fermentation. With the help of anaerobic respiration, we get the products of H2O and CO2. Anaerobic respiration is mainly found in prokaryotes that lack oxygen.
Another great explanation. Can someone now give me a description of where these processes occur?
I will. Glycolysis occurs in the cytosol of the cell. The Krebs cycle occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. In eukaryotic cells, the electron transport chain is embedded in the inner membrane of the mitochondria folds. In prokaryotic cells, the electron transport chain is in the cell membrane.
Very good. Can someone summarize of how and what starts each process and what is produced?
I can. There are a variety of starting points for glycolysis. The most usual ones start with glucose or glycogen to produce 6-phosphate. The starting points for the other monosaccharides, glucose and fructose, are also shown. 3 major steps occur in the Krebs cycle. 1 GTP is produced, which eventually donates a phosphate group to ADP to use for ATP. Although one molecule of GTP leads to the production of 1 ATP, the production of reduced NAD and FAD are far more significant in the cell's energy generating process. ATP is produced by the electron transport chain when NADH and FADH2 release hydrogen atoms, regenerating NHD plus and FAD. In the transport chain, electrons are passed along a series of molecules embedded in the inner monosaccharide membrane.
Okay, good.
Wait, I still am a little bit confused on ATP and how many are produced as a result of cellular respiration.
Yeah,
Whoa.
Me too.
I think we're all confused.
Well, ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. It is a nucleoside triphosphate. It is the main energy currency of cells. There are different energy cells in a cell, but the most common energy carrier in cells is ATP. It is made of adenosine base, ribose sugar, and 3 phosphate groups. Around 36 ATP are produced as a result of cellular respiration.
Thanks for helping us.
You're a great teacher.
Yeah.
I intend to impress my students with my great knowledge. Now, all of you have a good day, and thanks for watching my video.
Bye.
Good.